This is raw data from an ECG heart monitor. You need specialized medical software to convert these numbers into the familiar heart rhythm graph. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the rhythm. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening ECG files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. An ECG file stores data captured during an electrocardiogram, a non-invasive medical test that records the electrical activity of the heart over a period of time. This data is crucial for diagnosing various heart conditions, including arrhythmias, heart attacks, and other cardiac abnormalities. The file contains information about the timing and strength of electrical signals as they travel through the heart. ECG files typically contain a series of voltage measurements recorded at specific time intervals. The data is often stored in a structured format, allowing medical professionals to analyze the waveforms and identify any deviations from a normal heart rhythm. The sampling rate and resolution of the data are critical factors in ensuring accurate diagnosis. Standard formats like SCP-ECG or DICOM are often used. For ECG, the safest first choice is ECG Viewer. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows can preview limited elements, but meaningful analysis relies on the software that produced the file. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the ECG file and click Open With. Test ECG Viewer first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the ECG file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the ECG file begins. First, use ECG Viewer. Open the file using a dedicated ECG viewer or medical analysis software, e.g. Kubios HRV. Next, check version. Ensure the viewer version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to TXT CSV. Use the software's export function to save the data as a universal format like .txt or CSV. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.